Just got this velvet ribbon. This is 1 inch, and I'm going to use it to make some Christmas bows. So it is just velvet on one side, and it is flat on the other, which makes it thinner and easier to work with. It does come in a bunch of different colors, and let's go ahead and make a bow. So we're gonna take 3 feet of ribbon, here's what we're going for. Place it over your palm, go around your thumb, twist so the velvet side stays up, twist around the thumb, twist around your index finger, twist around your thumb. So now we have 3 loops on the thumb and 2 on the pointer finger. Now we're gonna go around the whole bunch twice, and we're gonna tuck this tail in through the loop we just made. And tighten it up a little bit. Adjust it so it's where you want. And now we're going to slip the loops off of our fingers. And there we go. And we can adjust anything that we need to. I've got 2 nice loops for our double bow. And now we can trim down this other tail to match. And there is our beautiful double bow. This is what it looks like on the back and on the front. So now you can take some floral wire and slip the floral wire through the back loop. And now you can hang it on your tree or on your garland or wherever you want to hang it. So super easy, beautiful double bow.